I made a trip out to Bowers, PA for their 35th annual Antique Engine Show. This show is only a fraction of the size of Jacktown, but it is located about a half-hour away from the Hamburg, PA Cabela's, so I like to make it a two-in-one road trip. The first display closest to the parking lot was this impressive model train layout. There was also an interesting booth with Fordson tractor photos and documentation. Check out this display of antique corn huskers. This gentleman had a good-sized collection of meat grinders. And I discovered how chain is made. What you're hearing in the background is several hit and miss engines running. This engine was driving a really cool old drill press. This is a two-stroke Maytag washing machine engine with a horsehead exhaust attachment. Not to be outdone, the fella across from him had a rifle exhaust attachment. The show's flea market was disappointing. The highlight was this vendor's restored jacks. I was impressed with his work. Even if you aren't into hunting or fishing, I would recommend a trip to Cabela's. The Hamburg, PA store has some great realistic animal displays. If you get there first thing in the morning, you can feed these fish. The aquarium tanks are also a must-see. I did manage to bring a few items home from the flea market. I picked all of these out of a 25-cent box. I think this little brace was part of a Handy Andy children's toolkit. I'll have to retap the thumbscrew hole. I dig these pistol grip handsaws. This one is a Stanley Handyman. This set screw wrench has the Armstrong Triangle A logo. Wood handle screwdrivers, even no-name ones like this, usually follow me home. Same story with wood handle putty knives. I think this one is marked Blue Point. The marking is very light and will be tricky to save when I clean up the blade. This last item is my favorite from the haul. A Craftsman USA scratch awl. I plan to post cleanups of these items on Instagram. I recommend checking me out on Instagram. I try to post something every day. It might be a yard sale or flea market haul, or a quick tool cleanup. I also share my fishing exploits and car show trips. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.